The best crypto exchanges in 2023. Now, what is it? I'm going to tell you the number one as well, okay? But before I get into disclaimer, not a financial advisor, do for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. Now, we're talking about AQX. It's a new cryptocurrency exchange platform that actually seeks to address various issues that the team believes are preventing the crypto space from going mainstream. These include the inability of users to maximize their capital efficiency, the inadequate risk protection for users, lack of liquidity in many new exchange platforms. So while the backing of Presto Labs, AQX has implemented a unique liquidation system to cushion its users from any potential market volatility and risks. Now, the crypto exchange platform also provides its users with a multi-centralized wallet that allows users to enhance their capacity efficiency. Thanks to the experience and expertise of world-class founding team, AQX has become a fully functional platform and has attracted the attention of many investors. At its core, AQX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform and the team is focused on providing users with the best experience such that AQX will be the first and last cryptocurrency exchange that you will ever need. So how do you join the beta? Users have to log into the platform to trade futures on AQX beta. The registration process involves creating a valid username and password and is completed by verifying your email address. Now, before trading futures, users need to create a margin for their trades. Margin refers to the security that a financial instrument holder must deposit to establish a leveraged position. So AQX has listed various financial instruments such as USD, USDC, BUSD, stablecoin, okay, all the way through to TRX and Link. All these financial instruments are eligible for margin trade and having a maximum leverage of up to 100x. That's conditional on each instrument. Now let's talk about how to make deposits on AQX beta. Simply connect your wallet, find the deposit address, scan the QR code and preferred coin to start making deposits on the AQX beta. Note, users actually have to complete KYC, which is know your client. That's where you put your details in and things like that. Level 2 to make successful deposits. More so, withdrawals are barred for 24 hours after performing the first deposit to avoid financial crimes like money laundering and phone fraud and preserve customer assets. So for more information, please visit their deposit page. But once you've made the deposit and set up the margin in your account, then you simply can start trading futures on the exchange. The main trading page allows you to view information or products that you want to trade and your orders and your assets, including your wallet balance. So the margin balance, unrealized PL. You can actually also customize the page to dark day mode from the settings tab and view the details of the open close trades. So you can follow us on your social media channels and keep up to date with the latest things happening on AQX in this Medium article down below. That's it from me, guys. If you agree, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well, and leave us a comment. And I'll see you on the very next video.